Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to select a circle in Photoshop for two-way. Let's begin. Step 1. Click the selection tool. Right click on your mouse, click elliptical marquee tool. Then hold shift, click and drag it or selection layer mask. And step 2. Create a new layer. Click the shape tool. Right click on your mouse, elliptical tool. Select. Then hold shift, click and drag it. Select the ball. Press Ctrl T. Then hold Ctrl layer mask. Now we can see this selected circle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.